Prime Minister Modi, Bharatiya Janata Party, working for the rich. They are not at all concerned about the farmer. They are all not concerned about the country. They do not have any vision. They do not have any ideology. They are only working for the few rich people in the country. The farm laws brought by Modi government is draconian, very dictatorial. I condemn this. This is going to hurt the common man in the country. This is going to hurt the poor farmer in the country. And they have no vision for the country. And Mr. Modi, Prime Minister of this country, do not understand the real problems of the farmers. Almost since 50 days, in the borders, they are dying in cold. Farmers are dying in cold. He has not visited even once. This is a heinous crime the BJP government is doing. And they are calling the farmers on one side and trying to divide them. These people of this country are watching. Every farmer is hurt today. Because of these three farm laws, public distribution system brought by Congress is going to collapse. Public distribution system, we are giving cheap rice for affordable prices. Wheat also we are giving it for affordable prices. These prices will shoot up, and the few rich people who got the capacity to get loans from the banks, and they can procure all these food grains and they can put it in their own private godowns, and they will export it to other countries and make money, and they become rich and richer. Billionaire will become a trillionaire. For that, BJP government is trying its best, and Modi is trying its best. Congress party, Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi brought green revolution in the country. We used to take very spoiled rice and wheat from Mexico, and wheat seeds were brought by Indira Gandhi in 1965. And he told the scientists, so including Swaminathan, try to get good seeds in the country. Hybrid seeds were produced, and the wheat which each acre was getting 10 bags, 15 bags, 3 times production has come. Today 50 bags of wheat is coming from the agricultural field for each acre. And same way rice also produced, and 3 times production has come up, and poor farmer is benefited today. What Congress party, fertilizer subsidy Congress brought in, and to help the farmer. Micro irrigation projects were brought in. Big projects like Bakra Nangal, Nagarjun Sagar, Hirakud, all these big irrigation projects brought by Congress party. I am asking Mr. Modi, what have you done for the irrigation of this country? Have you brought any big project like Bakra Nangal, Nagarjun Sagar in this country? Have you done any small thing to the farmer? You have not done anything. You are destroying the agriculture in the country, which is the backbone of this nation. And try to understand, you have no vision at all about the country and the agriculture. Immediately withdraw all these 3 farm laws and help the farmers of this country, so that the poor also can get benefited with this. Try to avoid all these pro-rich policies. That is not going to help this country. What you are doing is wrong. You are becoming a total dictator in this country. I condemn your acts of 3 acts, and try to remove, scrap, repeal all these 3 farm laws. I support the farmers. Congress party all the time for the farmer, for the agriculture, for the poor people of this country, and try to understand the situation. With this, I conclude. Jai Hind.